Wireless devices have transformed how we connect and automate the world around us, but knowing their exact location and maintaining accuracy as they move or rotate remains a challenge. Traditional solutions are often complex, unreliable, or too expensive for real-world deployment. Bluetooth channel sounding changes that. Silicon Labs channel sounding dev kit, built on the MG24 SoC with integrated dual antennas in a compact 33 by 33 mm design, delivers a new level of spatial awareness. It gives wireless devices the confidence to measure distance accurately, even as they move, even as they rotate. Let's take a look at how 1, 2, or 4 antenna paths affect the reliability of spatial awareness and why maximizing antenna diversity is key to accuracy. With a single antenna path, a device's ability to estimate distance becomes highly dependent on its orientation. As the device rotates, the antenna captures a limited, angle-dependent view of the radio environment, exposing variations caused by shifting radiation patterns and multipath reflections. This can cause distance errors of several meters in dynamic or reflective environments. Let's see how enabling 2 antenna paths improves performance. Enabling 2 antenna paths introduces antenna diversity. The device can dynamically select the antenna path with better channel conditions, helping to avoid performance drops when one antenna's radiation pattern encounters a null or degraded signal. As a result, distance estimations become more consistent compared to a single antenna path, but only up to a point. With only 2 antenna paths, angular coverage remains incomplete. In reflective or dynamic environments, errors can still vary by 2 to 4 meters. To achieve true reliability, we need to maximize antenna diversity, and that means moving to 4 antenna paths. Enabling 4 antenna paths brings the full power of antenna diversity to channel sounding. With multiple antenna paths, to capture a wide range of spatial angles, the device can continuously select the optimal path based on real-time channel conditions, minimizing the effects of fading, multipath interference, and orientation dependency. The result is consistent sub-meter accuracy, even in challenging, reflective environments. From a single antenna's limitations to the power of antenna diversity with 4 paths, we have shown how Bluetooth channel sounding delivers reliable location intelligence. From passive entry, passive start systems to unlock vehicles effortlessly, to healthcare, industrial automation, and secure access, channel sounding brings robust, scalable spatial awareness to Bluetooth LE, making high-precision proximity detection ready to power the next generation of connected products. Silicon Labs gives you the tools to turn precision into a competitive advantage. The technology is ready, and the possibilities are endless.